Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. The Dancehall fraternity is speaking out following the fatal shooting of reggae singer Jamaican's son, Baba Skeng, during a TikTok live stream. Reports indicate that around 6:30 p.m. Monday, a gunman approached and opened fire while Jabari Johnson, known as Baba Skeng, was live near a shop in his community. Dancehall artist Stock Ashley addressed the growing violence in an emotional Instagram post, calling it heartbreaking and urging people to value life and to spread love.
I just got back home from the show. Like, I don't know how to feel because this is now becoming a trend. Like, how much TikToker you know are dying in the last few months on TikTok live. And yeah, we live in Jamaica, we know people dead every day. We know about gun violence, unfortunately. Or something we just know about because it happened. But it's just like, we literally watch all of this unfold right in front of our eyes. Everybody's on the app. Picnic, young, old, everybody's on the app. I'm too stunned to speak.
This marks the fourth high-profile murder of a TikTok personality in recent months. Other live stream-related killings include Keanu Watson in September, Xavier Nyagang Foga in December, and Marlon 41 Bussett Samuels, who was shot shortly after ending his live stream. Carnival in Jamaica 2025 shattered records, drawing the highest ever visitor numbers in the event's history. Over 8,500 visitors arrived for the festivities, a 15.5% increase from last year. Total passenger arrivals also climbed nearly 17,000, up 20% year over year. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the event proves Carnival's growing economic power and Jamaica's rise as a global entertainment hub. Early estimates show the festival could top last year's 4.42 billion direct impact, with overall contributions expected to exceed 95 billion. Around 11,000 revelers took part in the bands, with increased turnout also seen in spectator zones. Co-chair of the Carnival in Jamaica Stakeholders Committee, Camo Banky, says the boost in viewing areas reflects Carnival's expanding appeal.
You'd have seen Trafalgar Road transformed into the largest spectator zone that, of course, I have seen. I mean, Carnival in Jamaica had a huge execution at the corner of Knutsford Boulevard and Trafalgar Road. Of those spectator zones show that there's interest to watch the spectacle and, of course, the participation in the revelry. That, to me, is a critical part of Carnival in Jamaica.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.